BingX is one of the top exchanges where you can buy over 600 different cryptocurrencies, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with BingX, and on top of that how you can register and also get additional rewards because I'm one of the official partners with BingX. So let's get started with going through the website, understanding what BingX stands for, and then jumping right into the contest as well as how you can trade on BingX as well. So this is the website, basically bingx.com, that's the address. 5 million different global users. They are registered in Singapore since 2018. Right now they have proof of reserves. They try to be as transparent as possible. 600 different cryptocurrencies and new crypto being added very often recently. They definitely pushing the frontiers here. They have different options about trying to build a community of traders. You have really a lot of options related to copy trading. I'm going to jump into that as well. You can join the largest crypto trading community here, following people, trying to see what they're doing. Of course, nothing here is financial advice because trading is risky, and even if you follow trending traders that are making money or made money in the past, this is not the indicator of the future gains. So join the largest crypto trading community, really fun and easy to do it. You can also buy crypto directly with your credit card or a bank deposit on BingX, so it's super easy. Can get started in like under 3 minutes. Also, they have an app on iOS and Android, so it's easy to start. They are being represented on different events, and as I've mentioned, there's going to be a bonus for registering, which is pretty cool. This is the partnership that I have with BingX, so this is going to be pretty interesting. So if you want to buy crypto directly and start with registering, you just have to click on buy here and say you want to buy with $32 USDT stablecoin. If you click on buy, then basically you'll be taken to either P2P merchants buying from someone on the platform, or you can use like MoonPay, Mercurio, or Banksa. So you can see different options here: buying with your credit card, buying directly, plenty of options to start with. So that's one thing. Another thing is, of course, going to the markets and seeing the stats. So if you register, you can of course see, for example, the new listings that are available with tokens like MOOX, Labs, Open Exchange token, Maverick protocol, and a bunch of others that you might know or not know about. So they keep on adding new tokens as we speak. And of course, the main thing here is if you click on spot or derivatives, you'll be able to buy. The difference is, of course, that on spot you can buy tokens and just hold them and then withdraw them, take them to your MetaMask wallet, to your hardware wallet. When it comes to derivatives, of course, you can put on leverage, you can short, but you won't be able to withdraw. Everything is happening on the exchange. It's centralized in this way. So let's jump into the market. If you click on derivatives, you'll be taken to, for example, BTC. And it's super easy to actually open or close the position. So for example, here I have 1 minute chart for Bitcoin. Of course, here on the left, I can change for all the other pairs that I want to look for. For example, I can go with Solana, see what's happening with Solana here. You can see that I have this dip here. If I were to short it, first of all, I can change the leverage. The cool thing is that the leverage is up to 20x here. On isolated accounts, if I were to go with standard futures, I can go to 150x leverage. Of course, that's super risky, but leverage here with 20x is pretty substantial still. So you have an option to go with market or limit orders, where you put up the price. Market is just going with whatever is available. And for example, if I want to open or close, I can do that. And here I can put the amount that I want to open and say I want to open short here and just confirm, and this will be it. So basically I can this for this pair I can only go with 5x, so it depends on the pair. Then I'm going to open the short here, let's say, confirm that, and my short is opened on Solana. I can see it down below here. It's a market order, so we're going to go back to that. to see how it performs in a minute. So this is the option for the perpetual futures. You have also standard futures if you want to go there. This is even simpler option where you have isolated margin. So the difference here is that between cross margin and isolated margin. In isolated margin mode, a certain amount of margin, initial margin, will be allocated to a position, and it will be isolated from all the other positions you have. So if you have a forced liquidation, the maximum loss will be the margin that you have for the position. Whereas with the cross margin, you actually will be the entire position, the entire balance will be liquidated. So cross margin is definitely more risky. With isolated margin, you can just go with whatever you put into. This is much safer here, especially if you're playing on higher margin. Also, if you're playing on an isolated margin, then basically you can go, as you can see here, with up to 150x, which is pretty substantial. They have a separated account for isolated margin. If you want to put that there, you'll be taken to the exchange. Now, perpetual futures, again, so this is for the opening. We can see how our position is performing, and then we can also look for other coins. Of course, opening like longs on different positions is also pretty easy. So for example, if I were to open with the leverage, say here with you, I can open even to 125x. So it really depends on a particular crypto. But let's say I want to open a long for like 5, 6, 7x on here. I confirm, and basically I just put the amount that I want to, and here I can see the margin being used for the position, and say I want to open a long in this spot to also see how it will perform. So basically right now I have a position with shorting Solana, longing ETH, which is pretty much market neutral. Those coins should pretty much work the same and operate the same. So actually I'm just getting the bonus from the discrepancies between the two and how they behave. So it might be interesting to observe as well. Now, this is not everything. Of course, you can also go to spot. As I've mentioned, this is the easiest thing you can do. So basically with spot, you can just buy and hold the coins and then basically just hold them long term. This is the easiest way. So for example, if you are a first time buyer into crypto, then the basic option is basically just go with buy crypto. You put the funds into your credit card, and then on spot you can buy whatever crypto you want with the market price. So this is super simple. Alternative solution is also go with copy trading. So copy trading is pretty big on BingX. They have many traders you can follow and copy. Of course, they have different ROI, but of course, previous ROI do not indicate that they will have the same results going forward. Those traders have different kind of risk depending on the kind of positions and what kind they're trading. As you can see, there are many thousands of followers of those different trading accounts, with even like 20,000 for a particular account. So pretty cool one. Many one that you can follow. Also, the cool stuff is grid trading. This is another thing. This is which works pretty well in a crap market. So whether we're in the bear market or bull market, but going slowly sideways, if the market is behaving like that, then the grid trading is probably the best option, because it tries to get you those small changes and upticks up and down. And it's super easy to create your own future or spot grid bot. Basically, you just click on, for example, future grid bot, and you can go with auto or manual, giving the lower or upper price. The way it works is that you can either think about it as being more neutral, long or short, and then put up the leverage. In the beginning, probably going with like 1x leverage, so no leverage would be the best, and then you can put your funds into it. The basic idea is that you have this range where you go with price. Here you have the price range between 26,000 to 34,000, and basically the bot will spread out the buys and it will sell when it ticks the price up, going down or up, and this way you can maximize your funds, especially if you believe that, for example, this price range will be there in the next couple of months. And for example, if the price will be tending up, if you think it will be tending up, then going with long will be the best solution. Otherwise, you can go with short or neutral. But of course, you have to read more in order to understand what's really happening, in order to not lose your funds, because everything is risky, but also it's very fun and cool. So let's get finished to this small BingX tutorial with the contest that I'm having, the partnership. So if you go directly to the link will be down below in the description. You basically will be taken to this website where the first 50 new users will basically be able to get 50 USDT bonus for registering and then trading. Multiple accounts are not allowed. You will be removed from the contest if you do that. You have to register through the link provided here. This is my affiliate link, and the contest is going from 12th of July to 21st of July, so you still have like a week of going through that, and the first 50 users will be rewarded. I think the BingX reserved the right to the final interpretation of this event. They want to basically give incentive to people to register and then trade, especially trade on futures using different perpetuals that they have on the platform. So if you're up for trading and a little bit of trading contest, this is probably the best way you can win some money along the way, up to the interpretation from BingX, but coming for the first 50 new users, so there's a lot of chance that you might be the one. This link is really unique to me, so no one else is competing. So if you're watching this on my YouTube channel or on Twitter somewhere, then probably you might be the one to win this contest. Really happy to partner with them. As I've mentioned, they're doing a lot of cool stuff lately, adding new coins, expanding their trading operations, their trading community, which is pretty cool. BingX definitely will be coming back on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.